I'm going to show you a way to avoid some clickbait and to look for most recent videos that aren't partner channels. Is whenever you're searching with whatever DIY you're trying to look for video, you click on the filters there on the side. People don't notice that you usually click on filters, click on video, instead of getting all the playlists in the search, you'll just get videos, and then you go from there, and then you go back to the filters, and you click on the most recent month or week or for the year, and you'll get those range of videos that will be most likely be the ones you want to find if you want something newer, not from these channels that aren't replying to your comments or questions if it's a DIY or if it's, or even if you're trying to find different channels that aren't the music channels and stuff like that that aren't partnered, and you're trying to find like a cover version of that song, or trying to find woodworking DIYs, and if it's a smaller channel, you can find them this way. And if you have a related question, they may be able to answer for you compared to these other channels that don't seem to answer to the comments whatsoever. Now I'm using generic search terms just to try to show you, like, depending on what you search for, like if you use different longer searches, if you narrow it down a little bit between each person, like if you're looking for cover songs, you'll get better results using the method that I'm using with the filters. So I'm just using the most generic search, and you can see that I'm finding all these um, YouTube promoted channels. So to avoid that would be to extend the search, like whatever name of the song is, and then go from there. Sometimes, depending on the song that you're trying to search, there might be too many of them partner channels singing it. If you don't like a lot of those channels, like all the poppy channels, like um, this guy shows up a lot of times. And sometimes if you want to find something, you might have to log out of your account and do the search that way, or log into another account.